You search how to buy shares of Era Acquisition Corp I. This company trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FERA and is publicly listed. This guide is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FERA to find the listing. Select the result that matches Era Acquisition Corp I to open its asset page. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to understand recent trading. Confirm the name and ticker are exactly Era Acquisition Corp I, FERA, to ensure it's the correct security. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Carefully review the order details and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the platform may schedule or queue your order according to its rules. If you lack sufficient funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be completed. After your order is executed, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.